my super kids. Today we will start lesson 9, subtract across 0. So get your sheet, page 463. Get your eraser, your pencil, your sharpener, and be ready. Yes, let's go. We have learned about 200 different kinds of animals. 126 of those animals were mammals. How many of the animals were not mammals? So here we need to find the difference between the two numbers. So it means we will make addition or subtraction? Yes, subtraction. So we need to subtract 200. We start with the bigger number minus 126. Yes, let's use the base 10 blocks. So here we have only 200. We need to take away 126 from those hundreds. So let's start with the ones. Here we have 0. More on top or more on floor? Yes, more on floor. Very good. Go next door. Oops. We don't have any tens or any ones. What shall we do? So we will make deal with the hundreds. We will take the hundreds and put 10 from the tens. Yes, now we have 10 tens. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we have 10 in the tens. Let's write it. So we will cross the 100. We take 1 from the 100. It will be 1, yes. And the tens now equals 10. Now, can we take 1 from the tens and give it to the ones? Of course, yes. So we can cross the tens and make it 9 because we take 1. Now, how many in the ones? Yes, 10. Let's count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we can start the subtraction. 10 minus 6. Can we take 6 from here? Yes, of course. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many left? Yes, 4. Let's subtract the tens. 9 minus 2. More on top or more on floor? Yes, more on top. No need to stop. If we take 2, how many left? Let's count together. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7. Now we can subtract the hundreds. 1 minus 1 equals nothing. So here we have 74 animals. Turn the page, please. Page 464. You can subtract across the 0. So if we need to find 400 minus 234. Yes, let's do it together. Let's put 400 here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So first we need to subtract the ones. Yes, it's 0. How we can get numbers to subtract from it? Yes, we need to make a deal. So we can take, yes, 100 and give it to the tens. So here we have 10 tens now. Do we have any ones? No. So now we cross the hundreds and write the new one. How many hundreds now? 1, 2, 3. So the new number is 3. And how many tens now? Yes, it's 10. If we take 1 from it, it will be 9. Now we can give it to the ones. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we can subtract the ones. We have 10 and we need to take 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many left? Yes, 6. So the first step, we need to take 1 from the hundreds, give it to the tens, and take 1 from the tens and give it to the ones. Don't move to the hundreds and give it to the ones. We need to move 2 steps. We take the hundreds and give it to the tens. Take the tens and give it to the ones. The second step, we need to subtract the tens. So the new number is 9. Can we take 3 from 9? Yes, of course. More on top, no need to stop. So we can take 3 of them. And now we can count. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we can write 6 below the tens. Now we can subtract the hundreds, the third step and the last step to subtract the hundreds. So the new number is 3. Yes, 3 minus 2. More on top or more on floor? Yes, more on top, no need to stop. We can take 2 from the hundreds. 1, 2. How many left? Yes, 1. So the difference between 400 and 234 equals 166. Now you can turn the page. Yes. Independent facts. Now you can pause the video 2 minutes and try to solve number 1 and 2 on your own. Please check your answers. Very good. You can pause the video again and try to solve number 3, 4, and 5 on your own. Now you can check your answers. Super! You can pause the video again and try to solve number 6, 7, and 8 on your own. You can do it. Yes, you did it. Good job. Pause the video again and try to solve number 9, 10, and 11 on your own. Super! Pause the video for the last time and try to solve number 12, 13, and 14. Now you can check your answers. Problem solving, page 466, number 15. 400 bees are in the hive. 145 bees leave the hive. How many bees are still in the hive? So let's underline the two numbers, 400 and 145. So where's the keyword? Yes, are still. So we need to know the difference between the two numbers. So let's make it together. So let's line up and rewrite the two numbers, 400, 145. Let's start with the ones. Yes, here we have 400. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 0 minus 5, more on top or more on floor? Yes, more on floor. Go next door. Oh, here in the tens we have 0. Can we take from 0? Of course not. So we need to move to the next door. So we can ask the hundreds to give us 1. And we can now give the tens 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we can cross the old number. It's 3 now. And the tens now equals 10. Yes, very good. Now we can ask the 10 to give us 1. And we give the ones 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we cross the old number and write 9 because we take 1 from the tens and give it to the ones as 10 pieces. So the ones now equals 10. Yes, very good. Now we can subtract 10 minus 5. Yes, after we take 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many left? Yes, very good. 5. Let's go to the tens. 9 minus 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. More on top or more on floor? Yes, more on top. No need to stop. So we can take 4 from the 9. How many left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can subtract the hundreds. 3 minus 1. More on top or more on floor? Yes, more on top. No need to stop. So we can take 1 away. How many left? Yes, 1, 2. So the answer is 255. Yes, so you can write it here, 255. Now you are ready to solve your homework, page 467 and page 468. Thank you.